Welcome to another exciting episode with Egloword, where we explore various topics related to web development and design. In today's episode, we'll be delving into the world of front-end development and discussing the common mistakes that developers should avoid. So, whether you are an aspiring front-end developer or a seasoned professional, stay tuned to enhance your understanding and expertise in this field. Front-end development holds a critical role in shaping the way users interact with websites and applications. It encompasses everything from designing the layout to selecting aesthetic components and ensuring responsiveness. Front-end developers play a key role in crafting the user experience of digital products. However, even experienced developers can sometimes fall prey to simple errors that can have a negative impact on performance, usability, and overall user experience. That's why, in this episode, we will shed light on some of the most common front-end mistakes that developers tend to make and provide valuable tips to help you avoid them. By being aware of these pitfalls and taking proactive measures, developers can create front-end solutions that are not only more effective and accessible but also resilient. It's crucial to ensure that your digital products not only meet user expectations but also succeed in the competitive landscape. So, let's dive into the fascinating world of front-end development and explore the common mistakes that we should steer clear of. But before we do that, let's take a moment to understand why preventing these front-end errors is so crucial in the first place. In a digital era where user experience reigns supreme, avoiding front-end mistakes is of utmost importance. These mistakes can hinder the performance and functionality of your website or application, leading to frustrated users and potential loss of business opportunities. By avoiding common front-end mistakes, developers can ensure that their websites and applications are efficient, user-friendly, and successful. It's not just about delivering a visually appealing interface but also about providing a seamless and intuitive user experience. Throughout this episode, we will explore some key examples of front-end errors that developers often encounter and provide practical tips to help you avoid them. By implementing these strategies, you can create front-end solutions that are more effective, accessible, and resilient. So, without further ado, let's embark on this enlightening journey to discover the common front-end mistakes that you should be aware of and avoid in your development projects. The significance of avoiding common front-end mistakes cannot be overstated, as they can have a profound impact on various aspects of a website or application. Let's delve into some of the key factors and their related effects that highlight the importance of steering clear of front-end errors. User experience. One of the primary areas affected by front-end errors is user experience. Poorly designed or confusing interfaces, long loading times, malfunctioning features, or inconsistent behavior can lead to increased bounce rates and user frustration. Conversely, a seamless and intuitive user experience can enhance user satisfaction, engagement, and conversions. Brand reputation. In many cases, a user's initial interaction with a brand occurs through its website or mobile application. Front-end errors can erode a brand's professionalism, dependability, and attention to detail. If users perceive a poorly designed or broken interface, it may negatively impact the brand's reputation, raising concerns about quality and reliability. Conversion rates. Front-end errors can directly impact conversion rates. When users encounter obstacles, confusion, or frustration while navigating a website or application, they are less likely to perform desired actions such as making a purchase, signing up, or completing a form. Eliminating errors and providing users with a seamless experience can increase conversion rates and help achieve business objectives. Performance and accessibility. Front-end errors can significantly affect a website's performance and accessibility. Bloated code, excessive server requests, and slow loading pages can lead to high bounce rates and a poor user experience. Additionally, accessibility errors, such as improper use of alt tags or insufficient contrast, can hinder people with impairments from accessing and navigating the website. Addressing these issues improves performance and ensures inclusivity. SEO and organic traffic. Front-end errors can have a detrimental impact on SEO performance. Search engines consider various factors when ranking websites, and issues such as slow loading pages, improper heading tag usage, or broken links can negatively affect organic traffic and search engine exposure. By avoiding these errors and adhering to standard practices, you can improve your search engine rankings and increase organic traffic. Now that we have a clear understanding of the significance of avoiding front-end errors, let's dive into some of the most common front-end mistakes that developers often encounter during the initial stages of development. These mistakes, if not addressed, can have a significant impact on the performance and user experience of a website or application. Poor performance. Performance issues can greatly affect the user experience in front-end development. Lengthy loading times can frustrate users and drive them away from a website or service. To optimize performance and provide a seamless experience, it's crucial to understand the typical reasons behind performance concerns. Let's explore some of them in detail. Excessive use of JavaScript. One of the primary culprits of poor performance is the excessive consumption of JavaScript. Large JavaScript files can significantly slow down the loading time of web pages, particularly on slower devices or network connections. It's important to review and optimize the JavaScript code, eliminating any unnecessary processes or scripts. Minifying JavaScript files, which removes white space and comments, can make them smaller and load faster. Overuse of large files. Another factor that affects performance is the utilization of large files. Improperly optimized images can slow down the rendering process. Developers should consider scaling images to the appropriate dimensions and compressing them without compromising quality. Modern image formats like WebP can also be employed to reduce file sizes and speed up loading. Excessive network requests. Excessive network requests can also hinder performance. Each request requires the server to process and retrieve the necessary resources, resulting in delays. It's important to minimize network requests whenever possible by consolidating files like CSS and JavaScript into a single file. Additionally, implementing caching techniques can enhance performance by storing frequently visited resources locally on the user's device and avoiding repetitive queries. Another common front-end mistake to avoid is neglecting responsive design. When front-end development lacks responsive design, users may encounter subpar interfaces on different devices. Websites and applications may appear distorted, making navigation difficult and frustrating. To address this, developers must prioritize responsive design principles. Employing fluid grids, touch-friendly navigation, and thorough testing across devices are essential in achieving responsive design. CSS media queries can adapt layouts and styles, while responsive typography and flexible images ensure seamless content adjustment. By embracing responsive design, developers create consistent user experiences across desktops, tablets, and smartphones, enhancing usability, engagement, and overall satisfaction in today's mobile-driven world. Next, cross-browser compatibility issues are also critical in front-end development. Websites and applications can behave and display differently among various browsers. Developers should follow best practices, including writing clean code, performing extensive testing on different browsers, and staying updated with compatibility changes to resolve this issue. Prioritizing cross-browser compatibility guarantees consistent user experiences, boosts satisfaction, and increases accessibility to a larger audience using different browsers. Neglecting accessibility is another significant mistake to avoid. If accessibility is disregarded during front-end development, people with disabilities may face challenges in accessing or using certain websites or applications. It is not only unethical but may also be illegal to overlook accessibility considerations. Developers should adhere to accepted standards, such as the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines. This includes incorporating accessible design elements, providing alternate text for images, ensuring keyboard navigation, and conducting frequent accessibility testing to address potential issues. Developers who prioritize accessibility contribute to creating inclusive digital experiences, guaranteeing equitable access for all users, and demonstrating a dedication to diversity and usability. Now, one of the crucial aspects often overlooked in front-end development is security. Ignoring security practices can lead to vulnerabilities, data breaches, and unauthorized access. To mitigate these risks, programmers must employ safe coding techniques such as input validation and parameterized queries to prevent common attacks like XSS, cross-site scripting, and SQL injection. Ensuring proper authentication, encryption, and multi-factor authentication for user accounts enhances security. Developing secure communication protocols, keeping software dependencies up to date, and regularly conducting security testing are essential steps in safeguarding against threats. By prioritizing security, developers protect user information, instill user confidence, and reduce the potential risks to websites and services. Ongoing protection is ensured by staying informed, implementing best practices, and performing regular security audits. Another common front-end mistake is unoptimized code. Poorly optimized and structured code can lead to performance issues, maintenance problems, and a higher likelihood of bugs. Code optimization improves performance and efficiency by removing redundancy, enhancing algorithms, and promoting code reuse. Creating a structured and well-defined code base with appropriate separation of concerns and naming standards improves readability and teamwork. Regular code audits and refactoring help identify and address optimization and structural issues, resulting in improved performance, maintainability, and overall development efficiency. The lack of proper testing throughout front-end development is also a significant mistake to avoid. Skipping appropriate testing can result in undetected bugs and functional issues in your website or application. Testing is crucial to ensure quality and reliability and typically includes user acceptance testing, integration testing, and unit testing. By embracing testing from the start, establishing test cases, and utilizing automation tools, developers can identify issues early and reduce the possibility of deploying flawed software. Including users and stakeholders in the testing process enhances the overall quality of the final product and improves user satisfaction. Ignoring web standards and trends in front-end development can have detrimental effects on functionality, compatibility, and user experience. Web standards promote accessibility and cross-browser compatibility while guiding coding practices. Disregarding these standards can lead to faulty designs, unpredictable behavior, and poor usability. Additionally, failing to pay attention to current online trends can result in outdated designs and functionalities, making an application feel antiquated or less appealing to consumers. By staying updated and adhering to web trends and standards, developers can create cutting-edge, user-friendly, and future-proof front-end solutions that meet user expectations and industry requirements. Incomplete input validation is another common front-end mistake to avoid. It's crucial to validate user input on both the client and server sides. While it's well known that user input should not be blindly trusted, errors can still occur during the validation process. SQL injection is one of the most common consequences of incomplete input validation and is often covered in the OWASP Top 10 Security Risks. Many front-end development frameworks offer user-friendly validation rules out of the box, and significant back-end development platforms employ straightforward annotations to ensure that data conforms to expected standards. While implementing validation may take some extra time, it should always be an integral part of your regular coding procedures. Not optimizing images is another front-end mistake to avoid. Visual elements play a crucial role in web design, given the widespread use of high-speed internet and the increasing prevalence of smartphones. However, many developers overlook the importance of optimizing images before publishing a project. During local development, everything may load quickly, giving the impression of fast performance. However, bandwidth usage can be easily overlooked, and poorly optimized graphics can cause significant issues. Establishing a reliable image optimization process should be a top priority in front-end development. Consider using modern image formats like WebP and AVIF instead of JPEG and PNG. Google claims that WebP offers 25 to 34% more compression than JPEG. Additionally, utilize tools such as ImageOptim and SVGO for server-level image optimization. Another common error in front-end development is the use of inadequate heading tags for styling purposes. This can have a detrimental impact on accessibility and SEO. Heading tags, H1 to H6, play a crucial role in content hierarchy and page organization. Misusing heading tags solely for styling purposes can confuse screen readers and make it challenging for users to navigate and comprehend the information. It can also affect search engine results, as search engines use heading tags to determine the organization and relevance of content. To achieve good accessibility and SEO optimization, it's essential to use heading tags effectively for content structure and utilize CSS for styling purposes. Incorrect stack order is another common mistake to avoid in front-end development. When creating more complex components, such as navigation menus, it's common to overlap different elements. To define the hierarchy of these items, a Z-index property is applied. If an element's Z-index property is off, it can make the page feel broken, preventing visitors from navigating your website effectively. Cache busting is an important consideration for optimizing styles on your website. Caching can improve load times, but after making changes to your styles, it's crucial to update the CSS cache buster. Failure to do so can lead to display problems. By replacing the Unix epoch value with the current one in the href on your tag, you can quickly add a cache buster to style links. Skipping code comments is a mistake that many developers make. Code comments are not only important for code maintenance but also for understanding what the code does. They can help in finding bugs faster and provide useful information to other developers who read your code. Use comments to notify, update, or warn others about the significance of your code and its core functionalities. While plugins can play a crucial role in web development, relying too heavily on them can be problematic. Plugins can simplify tasks and improve user experience, but using too many plugins can lead to performance issues, slow website speed, or even crashes. It's important to use plugins wisely and be mindful of the need for regular updates and maintenance. Not reusing code when possible is another common mistake in front-end development. Often, there is reusable code that can be leveraged instead of reinventing the wheel. Once you have successfully developed a functionality, consider reusing it in other projects by making the necessary modifications. This optimizes your workflow and saves time and effort. By avoiding these front-end mistakes and adopting best practices, developers can create efficient, optimized, and maintainable code, resulting in improved performance, better user experiences, and increased productivity. Now, let's shift our focus to popular front-end technologies and explore some common mistakes specific to JavaScript, React, and Angular. JavaScript. When working with JavaScript, there are a few common front-end mistakes to avoid. Let's discuss about a couple of them. 1. Working without a coding style guide. It's crucial to establish a coding style for your JavaScript project to maintain consistency and avoid common errors. One way to achieve this is by using a linter like ESLint. By configuring ESLint with a specific set of rules, you can enforce coding standards across your team. 2. Using magic values. Avoid using magic values in your JavaScript code. Magic values refer to constant values that appear arbitrary and can only be understood by the developer who wrote the code. It's better to use named constants to make the code more readable and maintainable. 3. Memory leaks are common JavaScript mistakes that can impact the performance of your application and cause unexpected behavior. Memory leaks occur when references to objects are unintentionally retained in memory, even when they are no longer needed. These leaks can gradually consume excessive memory, leading to performance degradation over time. Let's explore some examples of memory leaks in JavaScript and how to avoid them. Event listeners. Memory leaks often occur when event listeners are attached to DOM elements. The event listener function maintains a reference to the element, even after it is no longer required, preventing it from being garbage collected. To prevent this, it's important to remove the event listener using the remove event listener method when the element is no longer needed. Set interval and set timeout. Memory leaks can also occur when timeouts or intervals are not cleared. If you have used set interval or set timeout to schedule recurring or delayed activities, it's crucial to clear them using clear interval or clear timeout when they are no longer needed. 4. Disregarding object mutability. It's important to understand object mutability and its implications to avoid memory leaks. The use of const does not prevent an object from being changed. Mutability can still lead to problems, especially when it involves multiple copies of altered data. It's crucial to consider mutability and spatial complexity, particularly in functional programming approaches, to prevent memory leaks. By being aware of these memory leak scenarios and following the correct practices, you can ensure efficient memory usage and maintain the performance of your JavaScript applications. Let's now dive into some common front-end mistakes specific to React. Here are a few to keep in mind. Absence of microservices. A common mistake made by beginners in React is compiling everything into a single file, resulting in a monolithic app structure. This can make the code base challenging to handle and debug. To avoid this, it's recommended to break down the app into separate components. By creating individual components, you can import and combine them as needed, making it easier to update and debug each component in a more manageable way. Set state is asynchronous. Even seasoned developers sometimes forget that set state in React is asynchronous. This means that not all changes made through set state will be immediately visible. Instead, they will be batched and applied during the next render. It's important to be aware of this behavior to avoid unexpected outcomes when accessing state values immediately after calling set state. Components name capitalization. React developers occasionally overlook capitalizing the names of components. Although this may seem like a minor error, it can lead to issues. When a component is written in lowercase, JSX interprets it as an HTML tag. This can result in an error stating that the component name is not a valid tag. To resolve this, simply capitalize the first letter of the component's name. God components. Avoid creating monolithic, non-reusable components known as God components. These components try to encompass every UI element in a single component, making the codebase difficult to manage and maintain. Instead, take the time to identify related aspects of your project and create separate components for each. By splitting components in this way, you can better organize and refactor your codebase as needed. By keeping these mistakes in mind and following best practices, you can enhance the maintainability, reusability, and overall efficiency of your React applications. Now let's turn our attention to common front-end mistakes specific to Angular. Here are a few to be aware of. Direct DOM manipulation. Performing direct DOM manipulation in Angular is a common mistake. By bypassing Angular's change detection system, inconsistencies can arise between the application state and the DOM. This approach hinders code reusability, maintainability, and security. Angular promotes a structured approach using components, templates, and data binding, which ensures proper integration with Angular's application model and results in a more maintainable codebase. Using jQuery. Using jQuery in Angular is another common mistake related to DOM manipulation. Although jQuery and Angular share the same parent language, JavaScript, they were designed for different purposes and should not be compared on the same scale. Relying on jQuery instead of leveraging Angular's superior functionalities can lead to issues. Angular may not be aware of DOM changes made by jQuery, resulting in unexpected effects during rendering and compiling. It's important to prioritize Angular's built-in features and methods for DOM manipulation. Using client-side pagination. When dealing with large volumes of data, using client-side pagination in Angular can be problematic. Client-side pagination renders all the data at once, which can lead to performance issues and increased workload. It's recommended to consider server-side pagination when working with significant amounts of data. With server-side pagination, you can load only the necessary data to provide clear instructions or render a specific page number, improving performance and efficiency. Failing to organize the code. Organizing code in Angular is crucial for maintainability and readability. With the multitude of Angular functions and features, scripts can become lengthy and challenging to manage. It's important to practice good code organization techniques. The MVVM architecture used by Angular can contribute to increased code volume, putting strain on controllers. Avoid excessive code insertion and writing to ensure manageability and facilitate testing. Breaking code into modules not only helps with fault discovery but also enhances the overall aesthetics of the codebase. By avoiding these common front-end mistakes in Angular and following best practices, developers can create scalable, maintainable, and efficient Angular applications. And there you have it. We've explored a wide range of common front-end mistakes to avoid in your development journey. From general front-end errors to specific ones related to popular technologies like JavaScript, React, and Angular, we've covered a lot of ground. Remember, avoiding these mistakes is crucial for building high-quality websites and applications. By enhancing your front-end development expertise and sidestepping these pitfalls, you can ensure your solutions are efficient, user-friendly, and successful. But what if you need assistance with your front-end development projects? That's where our team of experienced developers comes in. Our dedicated developers at Egglowood have a deep understanding of front-end technologies and can help you overcome challenges, optimize performance, and create exceptional user experiences. So, whether you need guidance on avoiding common front-end mistakes, assistance with code optimization, or support in implementing the latest web standards and trends, our developers are here to lend a helping hand. Remember, the journey of a front-end developer is a continuous learning process. Stay updated with industry best practices, embrace new technologies, and strive for excellence in every line of code you write. And before we wrap up, don't forget to explore our blog for more practical code details to further enhance your front-end development skills. Thank you for tuning into this podcast. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Keep honing your front-end development skills, avoid those common mistakes, and reach out to our team whenever you need expert guidance. Egglowood hopes you enjoyed and learned from this program. For more details, go to www.egglowooditsolutions.com. Thanks for listening.